Okay, so we're unboxing a Mega Box, a select Mega Box here. At least I'm very excited. This is the last box. Last na talaga to, no? Last box. Nung nakuha natin sa unbox, no? The last time we opened one, we got this LeBron James, oh no, Bronny James, number 285, no? So, I'm hoping we get something good from here, no? Let's go, let's try. All right, let's go. Okay, so we're looking for green and blue prisms. Sana may auto, sana may GU, sana may RPA, diba? And let's see what we get here. Medyo lockdown na yung price eh. Pero you can't leave a last box, right? And siya, right? So we're expecting 40 cards here. And let's see. I mean, I had a very long week. And this might be, I'm hoping it's a good rip. I had a very bad, what you call that? I had a very bad break the other time. And let's see if we get something really nice here. Alright. So we're expecting 10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, and I hope my okay, right? We'll try to sleeve the cards. But here we go. Pack number 1. Hope there's something really nice. Sana may auto or animal print. Oh, starting it off with a Dalton Connect. Okay, green tayo. Joel Embiid. RCN, Joel Embiid. Uy, Steph Curry. Okay, magandang pangitain yan. And then green natin, Anthony Davis. Okay. Right. Pack number 2. Right. Oh, Kyrie. Okay. We got an RWB, and I think there's a green here. Jalen Green. Now from the Phoenix Suns. Jalen Green back to back. Blue, silver, and green natin. I see Kawhi Leonard. Okay, the let down to medyo manipis. Okay, pack number 3. Let's go. Go pack number 3. Alright, here we go. Yung MVP natin dati, no? Nikola Jokic. Okay. Jalen Wells, RC. Bam Bam Adebayo, RC. Okay. Ay nako, Devin Carter. Sayang. Okay, sana matas na lang. Anyway, next pack. This is pack number 4 na ata. Pack number 4, wala pang okay. One card. Okay. Right. Hali baby. Okay, parang may kakaiba doon ah. Okay, Hali. Reed Shepherd. Green natin si, nice Steph Curry. Ano to? From the Brooklyn Nets. Yongshi Jackie Kui. RC. Prism. Okay, we take that. Yongshi Jackie Kui. Sige, lagay natin siya dito along with the Steph Curry. Put the Steph Curry here muna. Lagay na si Yongshi dito. Okay. Right. Okay, pack number 5. Okay, pack number 5. Oops. Ulog. Derek Lively. Uy, auto. Uy, green Franz Wagner. Nikola Tupic. Ito, sa likod ni Lively. Auto yan. Let's keep it like that muna. Right? Ayoko makita yung kulay. Okay, next. Auto yun ah. Okay, next. Franz Wagner, not bad. Uy, Banchero. Paolo Banchero. Nice one, Matas Buzelis, baby. Uy, baliktad. Jalen Green. Itong baliktad. Okay, mamaya na rin to. Sa likod ni Matas. Okay, yung baliktad, di ko rin alam eh. Oops, huwag mo papakita yung auto. Okay. Okay, next. Pack number 6. Ano, 7 na pala to? 7. Pack number 7. Okay. Okay to ah. Parang lahat ng kuha kong maganda rookie. Alex Sarr. Ant-Man, Anthony Edwards. Gandahan mo. Keyshawn George. Not bad. Green Bam Adebayo. Okay. Ganun pangitain yung pack na to ah. Okay, next. Pack number 8. Okay, Amen Thompson. Chet Holmgren. Silver. Tandaan mo. Devin Vassell. Di na lang Wemby. Enrique Freeman. Dapat talaga si Enrique Freeman. Ito manipis. Okay. Pack number 9. Tindahan natin. Last box na sa Green Hills sa unbox. Uy. Bronny James. Bronny James is here. Andrew Wiggins. Ang ganda. Devin Booker. Cade. House of Cade, baby. Diyan ka. Green. Mezzanine. Ganda. Last pack. Solid so far itong box ito ah. Okay. Parang walang numbered. Natin, parang wala eh. Julius Randle. Shaden Sharp. Jalen Brunson. RC Buzelis. No, it's Jalen Wells. Not bad. Okay, tingnan natin yung likod ni Buzelis. Ito, ano to? Baliktad. Okay. Prism. Anong team? Detroit Pistons. I-cade mo. Obi Klintman. Silver lang pala. Sinipat ko pa. Buisit. Okay. Last card. Auto ata to eh. Mas baliktad. Okay. Alam mo na. Youth Explosions, Oso Ighodaro. Right. Green Prism. Okay. We take it. Kamukha lang ng binigay sa akin ni Shaka Boom to eh. Nasaan na ba yan? Dito lang yan eh. Uy, pero iba. Green. Ito yung nakuha ko kay Shaka Boom na isa. Pero do. Also Ighodaro, baby. Yes. Not bad. At least may auto. Thank you.